Hi, it's Elsie. Welcome to my channel. I got some requests to do a tutorial for this edit. So with this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. My views has been decreased a lot. If you want to support my channel, please consider hitting the like button and comment down below to boost the YouTube algorithm to get more people to see my video. I would really appreciate your help. Now let's get started. First, open CapCut. Click on New Project. Select the video that has the music. I will include a link to the video in the description below. You can also screen record the music from the edit. Then click on the video, extract audio, click on the audio, select match cut, auto generate. Make sure you are on beat 2. I'm going to zoom in a little so I can see the beat better. Then we are going to go to the 5th beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's a little bit past 3 seconds. Then click on overlay, add overlay, photos. For this edit, you want to find 2 similar pictures that are about the same size and ratio. Select the picture that will show up later. Zoom in to fill the screen. And then adjust the length of this one to match the end of the video. So it will be about 7.1 seconds. The main video is 10.3 seconds. Then you want to go to the beginning of the video, add overlay, select the picture that will show up first, zoom in to fill the screen, and then adjust the length before the beginning of the other overlay, so it would be about 3.2 seconds. Then you want to click on copy to make a copy of it. Also adjust the length of this one to match the other video. So it also would be 7.1 seconds. Then you want to go to the 4th beat. Click on add overlay again. Select the flash overlay. This will also include in the link in the description. So make sure the end of this one also align with the other video. If it's not, then you can move it slightly. Then click on it, zoom in to fill the screen, then click on splice. Click on filter to remove the black background. Then we are going to go to the beginning, click on this overlay, click on animation. You can select whatever animation, but for me, I'm going to select in. And then I'm going to select zoom 1 with maximum duration, 3.2 seconds. Then click on the beginning of the copy overlay. Click on the keyframe icon. Then click on mask, split. You want to rotate this to about 135 degrees. And then move it to the corner. Then move to the next beat. And then move the mask to follow the light. Then you want to move it to the next beat. Also move this to follow the line. Then you want to move slightly after the beat, like about there. And then move the mask to follow it again. Then move slightly behind again. And then move the mask to follow the line. And then you can go to the beat at about 7 seconds. Then move the mask slightly. Then move to the second to last beat, which is slightly before 9 seconds. So move it slightly. So these are the beats that I have. You might need to make small adjustment. The goal is to make sure the mask follow the line, like that. Now we're going to go to the beat at about 7 seconds. right there. You want to click on the first overlay this time, add a keyframe, and then go to the beat that's near 8 seconds, add another keyframe. Then you want to add 5 more keyframes in between these 2 beats. Then you want to go to the second keyframe, scroll to the right, and then click on opacity, select 0, and then skip 1 keyframe, go to the next one, adjust the opacity to 0 again, skip 1, and then go to the next one, adjust the opacity to 0 again. So this is how you can create a change effect. Now we are going to add some effect to it. So click on the beginning of the first overlay, then go back all the way, click on effects, video effects, basic. We are going to select shake. Adjust the effect to align to the end of the video. You want to click on object and then select overlay. If you don't like the shade too much, you can click on adjust and then adjust the intensity and the speed to how you like it. I have the intensity at 10 and speed at 10 as well. Then I'm going to go to the 7th beat. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So would be the one slightly before 5 seconds. Then click on video effects. This time, click on party, select shock wave, click on it, click on object, select overlay again. Then adjust this one to end at the beat that's near 7 seconds. Then go to the beat before, select video effects, party again. We're going to select red alert 1, click on it, object, select overlay again, and then adjust it to the end of the video. Then go to the last 2 beats, click on video effects again, select retro, then you want to select snow glitch. Same thing with this one, you want to click on it, click on object and then select overlay. With the effects, you can really play around with what you like. This is just what I have. Then lastly, we are going to add a filter effect to it. So click on filters. You want to go to black and white, select black forest, and then adjust it to align with the entire video. So that's how you can create this edit. You can hear the music because it's copyrighted. You can refer to my original edit that has the music. If you found this video to be helpful, please consider hitting the like button and comment down below to let me know. I would really appreciate your support. Please be nice to yourself and have a wonderful day. I will see you next time.